Jorge Chavez traffic, Air France 828 Heavy, taxiing to runway 15. Jorge Chavez traffic, United 508, taxiing to runway 15.
Jorge Chavez traffic, Golf Sierra Whiskey Alpha Alpha, taxiing to runway 15.
Jorge Chavez traffic, Air India 840 Victor Alpha, taxiing to runway 15.
Jorge Chavez traffic, Air France 483 Heavy, taxiing to runway 15. Jorge Chavez traffic. Air France 483 Heavy is taking off runway 15, departing north. Jorge Chavez traffic. Delta Golf Oscar Sierra Tango, taxiing to runway 15. Jorge Chavez traffic. United 508 is taking off runway 15, departing north.
Runway Chavez traffic. Air India 840.
knots until 6 mile final. Air France 61 Echo Tango. Contact Paris Charles Tower on 125.32. Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Air France 7527. Hotel Alpha Papa Papa Yankee Heavy. Turn left heading 110. Descendant maintain 3000. Maintain 3000 until established on the localizer. Cleared Earls runway 9 left approach. Turn left heading 110. Descendant maintain 3000. Maintain 3000 until established on the localizer. Cleared Earls runway 9 left. Hotel Alpha Papa Papa Yankee Heavy. Air France 1115. Turn left heading 170. Descendant maintain 3000. Turn right heading 180. Descendant maintain 3000. Air France 483 Heavy. Air France 1115. Turn left heading 160. Tamake 100. Turn right heading 360.
Turn left heading 160, Air France 1115.
Air France 7527. Contact Paris Charles Tower on 125.32. Golf Alpha Victor Delta. Turn right heading 360. Air France 871 Heavy. Turn left heading 260. Turn right heading 360. Golf Alpha Victor Delta. Turn left heading 260. Air France 871 Heavy. Air France 957 Heavy. Do not exceed 200 knots.
Turn left heading 300. Descend and maintain 4000. Matrix 187 Heavy.
Do not exceed 200 knots. Air France 957 Heavy. Air France 957 Heavy. Turn right heading 180. Descend and maintain 3000. Turn right heading 180. Descend and maintain 3000. Air France 957 Heavy.
Descend and maintain 4000. Air France 222.
Stand by. Adria 758. Air France 413 Heavy is 4 nautical miles southeast of Calomiers 1 at 12,700 feet. Requesting visual approach any runway at Paris Charles. TAM 8100. Turn right heading 060. Descend and maintain 4000. Maintain 4000 until established on the localizer. Cleared Isles runway 8 right approach.
Turn left heading 110, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer. Cleared Isles runway 9 left, Air France 1115.
Air France 957 Heavy. Expect vectors for the Isles approach runway 9 left at Paris Charles. Roger. Air France 957 Heavy. Adria 758. Turn left heading 260. Descend and maintain 4000. Air France 957 Heavy. Make a right 360. Making a right 360. Air France 957 Heavy. Turn left heading 260. Descend and maintain 4000. Adria 758. Swiss 342. Turn left heading 170. Descend and maintain 3000.
Increase speed to 250 knots. Matrix 187 Heavy.
Air France 871 Heavy. Turn right heading 270. Turn right heading 270. Air France 871 Heavy. Emirates 001 Victor Alpha Heavy. Descend and maintain 4000. Hotel Alpha Papa Yankee Heavy. Contact Paris Charles Tower on 125.32. Golf Alpha Victor Delta. Do not exceed 200 knots. Contacting Paris Charles Tower on 125.32. Hotel Alpha Papa Yankee Heavy. Descend and maintain 4000. Emirates 001 Victor Alpha Heavy. Air France 413 Heavy. Turn left heading 260. Descend and maintain 5000. Do not exceed 200 knots. Golf Alpha Victor Delta. Turn left heading 260. Descend and maintain 5000. Air France 413 Heavy. Turn left heading 150. Air France 483 Heavy. Descend and maintain 3000. Air France 957 Heavy. Swiss 342. Turn left heading 110. Maintain 3000. Maintain 3000 until established on the localizer. Cleared Isles runway 9 left approach. Air France 1115. Do not exceed 160 knots.
Do not exceed 160 knots, Air France 1115.
Turn left heading 110. Maintain 3000. Maintain 3000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 9 left. Swiss 342.
Air France 222. Turn left heading 050. Descend and maintain 4000. Maintain 4000 until established on the localizer. Cleared Isles runway 8 right approach.
Turn left heading 050. Descend and maintain 4000. Maintain 4000 until established on the localizer. Cleared Isles runway 8 right. Air France 222.
Air France 957 Heavy. Turn right heading 120. Turn right heading 120. Air France 957 Heavy. Air France 1013. Turn right heading 330. Descend and maintain 5000.
Airport in sight. Swiss 342.
Air France 413 Heavy. Descend and maintain 8500. Descend and maintain 8500. Air France 413 Heavy. Air France 871 Heavy. Turn right heading 360. Descend and maintain 4000. Roger. Air France 1013. Turn right heading 360. Descend and maintain 4000. Air France 871 Heavy. Air France 413 Heavy. Descend and maintain 5000. Descend and maintain 5000. Air France 413 Heavy. Golf Alpha Victor Delta. Contact Paris Charles Tower on 125.32. Air France 957 Heavy. Turn right heading 130. Adria 758. Do not exceed 220 knots. Echo Yankee Victor 149 is 3 nautical miles west of Mach Esprit at 7,500 feet. Requesting visual approach any runway at Paris Charles. Air France 1013. Do not exceed 220 knots. Do not exceed 220 knots. Air France 1013. Turn right heading 130. Air France 957 Heavy. Do not exceed 220 knots. Adria 758. Turn left heading 180. Echo Yankee Victor 149. Swiss 342. Contact Paris Charles Tower on 125.32.
Contacting Paris Charles Tower on 125.32, Swiss 342.
Air France 871 Heavy. Turn right heading 060. Maintain 4000. Maintain 4000 until established on the localizer. Resume on navigation. Echo Yankee Victor 149. Air France 222. Turn left heading 060. Maintain 4000. Maintain 4000 until established on the localizer. Cleared aisles runway 8 right approach.
Turn left heading 060. Maintain 4000. Maintain 4000 until established on the localizer. Cleared aisles runway 8 right. Air France 222.
De Gaulle approach. Delta Golf Oscar Sierra Tango. With you at 8000. Delta Golf Oscar Sierra Tango. Radar contact. Delta Golf Oscar Sierra Tango. Descend and maintain 4000. Matrix 187 Heavy. Do not exceed 200 knots. Air France 871 Heavy. Contact Paris Charles Tower on 125.32.
Do not exceed 200 knots. Matrix 187 Heavy.
Contacting Paris Charles Tower on 125.32. Air France 871 Heavy. Descend and maintain 4000. Delta Golf Oscar Sierra Tango. Air France 413 Heavy. Turn right heading 270. Air France 222. Do not exceed 180 knots. Turn right heading 270. Air France 413 Heavy. Air France 1013. Turn left heading 260. Emirates 001 Victor Alpha Heavy. Turn right heading 260. Turn left heading 260. Air France 1013.
Do not exceed 180 knots. Air France 222.
Air France 7713 is 5 nautical miles northwest of Romilly-sur at 16,000 feet, requesting radar vectors to Paris Charles.
Iberia 27 Super is 6 nautical miles northwest of Orleans-Brissy at 19,100 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 8 right at Paris Charles.
American 419 Victor Alpha is 7 nautical miles southeast of Étrepatny at 9,200 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 9 left at Paris Charles.
Matrix 187 Heavy. Turn right heading 020. American 419 Victor Alpha. Expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 9 left at Paris Charles. American 419 Victor Alpha. Turn left heading 150. Descend and maintain 3000.
Turn left heading 150, descend and maintain 3000, American 419 Victor Alpha.
Iberia 27 Super. Continue as filed. Expect the ILS approach runway 8 right at Paris Charles. Air France 957 Heavy. Turn left heading 110. Maintain 3000. Maintain 3000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 9 left approach. Matrix 187 Heavy. Turn right heading 050. Maintain 4000. Maintain 4000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 8 right approach. Paris Charles Tower. Air France 483 Heavy. Inbound on the ILS runway 9 left. Golf Alpha Victor Delta. When able turn left. Cross runway 8 left and contact ground.
Paris Charles Tower. Air France 222. Inbound on the ILS runway 8 right.
Wilco. Golf Alpha Victor Delta. Number 1. Cleared to land. Runway 9 left. Air France 483 Heavy. TAM 8100. Cross runway 8 left.
Number 2. Cleared to land. Runway 8 right. Air France 222.
Crossing runway 8 left. TAM 8100. Contacting Paris Charles ground on 121.9er, TAM 8100. Paris Charles Tower, Air France 775 Super, ready for departure at runway 8 left, departing straight out. Air France 775 Super, line up and wait runway 8 left. Golf Alpha Victor Delta, request permission to cross runway 8 left. Line up and wait runway 8 left. Air France 775 Super. Golf Alpha Victor Delta, please follow instructions. Golf Alpha Victor Delta, you were already instructed to cross the runway. Roger. Golf Alpha Victor Delta. Paris Charles Tower, Air France 957 Heavy is 9 nautical miles to the west at 3,000 feet, inbound for landing. Air France 957 Heavy, number 2, runway 9 left, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 9 left, Air France 957 Heavy, Air France 222, maintain slowest practical speed. Air France 775 Super, runway 8 left, cleared for takeoff. Air France 483 Heavy, when able turn right, cross runway 9 right and contact ground. Cleared for takeoff, runway 8 left, Air France 775 Super.
Maintain slowest practical speed, Air France 222.
Wilco, Air France 483 Heavy, Air France 1115, contact Paris Charles ground on 121.9er.
Contacting Paris Charles ground on 121.9er, Air France 1115.
Paris Charles Tower, Delta 85, ready for departure at runway 8 left, departing north. Delta 85, runway 8 left, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 8 left, Delta 85.
Paris Charles Tower.
Victor Delta, please follow instructions. Golf Alpha Victor Delta, you were already instructed to cross the runway. Roger. Golf Alpha Victor Delta. Paris Charles Tower, Air France 957 Heavy is 9 nautical miles to the west at 3,000 feet, inbound for landing. Air France 957 Heavy, number 2, runway 9 left, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 9 left, Air France 957 Heavy. Air France 222, maintain slowest practical speed. Air France 775 Super, runway 8 left, cleared for takeoff. Air France 483 Heavy, when able turn right, cross runway 9 right and contact ground. Cleared for takeoff, runway 8 left, Air France 775 Super.
Maintain slowest practical speed, Air France 222.
Wilco, Air France 483 Heavy, Air France 1115, contact Paris Charles ground on 121.9er.
Contacting Paris Charles ground on 121.9er, Air France 1115.
Paris Charles Tower, Delta 85, ready for departure at runway 8 left, departing north. Delta 85, runway 8 left, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 8 left, Delta 85.
Paris Charles Tower 187 Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 8 right.
Matrix 187 Heavy, number 2, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Number 2, cleared to land, runway 8 right, Matrix 187 Heavy.
Air France 775 Super, contact Paris Center on 128.0. Going around, Air France 775 Super. Air France 775 Super, request frequency change. Air France 775 Super, contact Paris Center on 128.0. Contacting Paris Center on 128.0, Air France 775 Super. Air France 871 Heavy, when able turn left, hold short runway 8 left. Please expedite. Traffic on final. Wilco, Air France 871 Heavy. Paris Charles Tower, Delta Golf Oscar Sierra Tango, inbound on the ILS runway 8 right. Air France 222, go around, make right traffic runway 8 right. Paris Charles Tower, Adria 758 is 8 nautical miles to the west at 2,300 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 9 left. Delta Golf Oscar Sierra Tango, number 2, runway 8 right, cleared to land. Adria 758, number 1. Runway 9 left, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land. Runway 9 left, Adria 758. Number 2, cleared to land. Runway 8 right, Delta Golf Oscar Sierra Tango. Air France 957 Heavy, when able turn right. Cross runway 9 right and contact ground. Air France 871 Heavy, cross runway 8 left. Delta 85, contact Paris Center on 128.0. Contacting Paris Center on 128.0, Delta 85. Crossing runway 8 left, Air France 871 Heavy. Air France 871 Heavy. Contact Paris Charles ground on 121.9. Contacting Paris Charles ground on 121.9, Air France 871 Heavy.
Paris Charles Tower, Air France 56 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 8 left, departing straight out.
Taxiing to parking. Air France 871 Heavy. Paris Charles ground. Air France 483 Heavy. Request taxi to parking. Air France 483 Heavy. Taxi to parking. At your discretion. Taxiing to parking. Air France 483 Heavy. Paris Charles ground. Air France 957 Heavy. Request taxi to parking.
Paris Charles ground, Tahiti Airlines 7 Heavy, ready to taxi with information echo.
Air France 957 Heavy. Taxi to parking. At your discretion. Taxiing to parking. Air France 957 Heavy. Tahiti Airlines 7 Heavy. Taxi to runway 8 left. Contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 8 left, Tahiti Airlines 7 Heavy.
Thank you. Good day. Golf Juliet Alpha Kilo Echo.
Paris Charles ground, Matrix 187 Heavy, request taxi to parking.
Paris Charles ground, November 2306, ready for pushback with information echo.
November 2306. Pushback approved. Expect runway 9 right.
Pushback approved, November 2306.
Paris Charles ground, Swiss 2457, ready for pushback with information echo.
Swiss 2457. Pushback approved.
Pushback approved, Swiss 2457.
Matrix 187 Heavy, request permission to cross runway 26 right.
Paris Charles ground. Adria 758. Request taxi to parking. Adria 758. Taxi to parking. At your discretion. Taxiing to parking. Adria 758.
Paris Charles ground, Matrix 187 Heavy, request taxi to parking.
Matrix 187 Heavy, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Paris Charles Ground, Hotel Alpha Sierra Alpha November, ready for pushback with information Echo, requesting runway 8 left.
Paris Charles Ground, Air France 650 Echo, ready for pushback with information Echo.
Paris Charles Ground, Qatari 280 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Echo.
Air France 650 Echo, pushback approved, expect runway 8 left. Qatari 280 Heavy, pushback approved, expect runway 8 left. Paris Charles Ground, Air China 056 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Echo.
Pushback approved, Qatari 280 Heavy.
Air China 056 Heavy, pushback approved, expect runway 8 left. Pushback approved, Air China 056 Heavy, pushback approved, Speedbird 650 Echo.
Paris Charles Ground, Egypt Air 207, ready for pushback with information Echo.
Delta Golf Oscar Sierra Tango, request permission to cross runway 8 left.
Paris Charles Ground, American 419 Victor Alpha, request taxi to parking.
Egypt Air 207, pushback approved.
Pushback approved, Egypt Air 207.
Delta Golf Oscar Sierra Tango, contact Paris Charles Tower on 125.32. American 419 Victor Alpha, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxiing to parking, American 419 Victor Alpha.
Air France 957 Heavy, you're on an active airport. Please contact Paris Charles Ground on 121.9.
Paris Charles Ground, Air France 061, ready for pushback with information Echo.
Air France 061, pushback approved.
Pushback approved, Air France 061.
Paris Charles Ground, Speedbird 650 Echo, ready to taxi to runway 9 left with information Echo. Thank you, good day. Air France 871 Heavy, Speedbird 650 Echo, taxi to runway 8 left. Contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 8 left, Speedbird 650 Echo.
Paris Charles Ground, Qatari 280 Heavy, ready to taxi with information Echo.
Qatari 280 Heavy, turn left next taxiway.
Left on the next taxiway, Qatari 280 Heavy.
Qatari 280 Heavy, taxi to runway 8 left. Contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 8 left, Qatari 280 Heavy. Paris Charles Ground, November 17 Echo Echo, ready for pushback with information Echo.
November 17 Echo Echo, pushback approved. Paris Charles Ground, Air China 056 Heavy, ready to taxi to runway 9 left with information Echo.
Paris Charles Ground, Egypt Air 207, ready to taxi with information Echo.
Paris Charles Ground, Air China 056 Heavy, ready to taxi to runway 8 left with information Echo. November 17 Echo Echo, hold position. Egypt Air 207, taxi to runway 8 left. Contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 8 left, Air China 056 Heavy.
Taxiing to runway 8 left, Egypt Air 207.
November 17 Echo Echo, pushback approved.
Pushback approved, November 17 Echo Echo.
Paris Charles Ground, Lufthansa Cargo 456 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Echo.
Paris Charles Ground, Emirates 001 Victor Alpha Heavy, request taxi to parking. Emirates 001 Victor Alpha Heavy, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Taxiing to parking, Emirates 001 Victor Alpha Heavy.
Paris Charles Ground, Hotel Alpha Sierra Alpha November, ready for pushback with information Echo.
United 11 Heavy, pushback approved. Hotel Alpha Sierra Alpha November. Pushback approved. Pushback approved. United 11 Heavy.
Pushback approved. Hotel Alpha Sierra Alpha November.
Paris Charles Ground. Air France 413 Heavy. Request taxi to parking.
Left on the next taxiway, Egypt Air 207.
Air France 413 Heavy. Taxi to parking. At your discretion. Taxiing to parking. Air France 413 Heavy. Air China 056 Heavy. Request frequency change. Delta Golf Oscar Sierra Tango. Taxi to parking. At your discretion. Air China 056 Heavy. You were already instructed to change frequency.
Paris Charles Ground, November 17 Echo Echo, ready to taxi with information Echo. Paris Charles Ground, Zulu Uniform Lima Uniform, ready for pushback with information Echo, requesting runway 8 left.
Zulu Uniform Lima Uniform. Pushback approved.
Pushback approved, Zulu Uniform Lima Uniform.
November 17.